If your client does this to you, sack them. Let's go. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kelly. This is Maid in Business, where I am a cleaning business owner just like you, and we chat through our problems, our woes and our issues. Today we're going to speak about something which I feel so very strongly about. Just as I would sack my cleaner if they did one thing, I would sack my clients if they did this. And what is the this? What is the terrible crime? Stealing your staff. I've had this happen plenty times. Luckily, I try to look after my cleaners very well, and I have always had the cleaners come and tell me.
I've had cleaners come to me that have said, the clients have said, how about if I pay you this, we cut out the cleaning company? How about if you come and work for me direct? How about if I cancel with the cleaning company and we just work out something just between the two of us?
Now, as you know, I'm a bit of a stickler for processes and for having things done a certain way. In my contracts of employment, I have it written that my cleaners cannot approach my clients for any additional work. I also have it written throughout my contract that the clients belong to my business. They do not belong to them. They are not self-employed. They do not own the relationship. The business owns the relationship. And so they are told if they're approached for extra work or extra duties, or if the client tries to change their time,
as we know, is not permitted in my business for a cleaner to do.
That is written in their contract that they must come to the office. On the other side of the coin, in my terms of service,
and we've discussed before how a client will have my terms of service 3 times before I put a cleaner into their home.
In the terms of service, it also says you must not approach the staff members for extra work. If you do, you will be sued to the full extent of the law to loss of earnings and breach of contract. I run a little poll on this on Instagram where I said, would you sack your client if you found out they were trying to nick your staff? And this is what you guys said. I mean, I find it quite interesting that some of you wouldn't. I don't know why you would keep that client who's dishonest and does not respect you, your trade, your business, what you're trying to do for a living. So if you are one of those people that voted that you would not sack your cleaner, drop us all a message below, because we'd love to know why. It is so very rude for a client to do this, and it's so very disrespectful. As a cleaning business owner, as somebody who has self-respect, do not tolerate that. Now, it could be that there's a massive problem with your business. And if your cleaner, if you have a good enough relationship with your cleaner, where your cleaners come to see you to say, listen, Kelly, that client has offered to cut you out and just pay me direct. Why? What am I not doing for that client that gives them the extra value add that they're paying for? Don't get me wrong, sometimes people are just outright there cheeky. But sometimes there might be a reason that you, as the cleaning business owner, I would say investigate and go and rub that client on the back and show them some love a little bit, because they're obviously not feeling it. That is our last video for Naughty November. We are heading into season. And so we're going to be doing lots of housekeeping over the next couple of weeks to get your business and you shipshape and ready to absolutely blast the pants off 2020. If you'd like to watch last week's video about 3 things your client should be doing for you and 1 thing they absolutely shouldn't, you can catch that here. If you want to watch what to do if you get a poor cleaning standard report, you can watch that video here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, which I think you definitely should for new content every Wednesday, you can hit this little circle right here. Thank you very much for being here and watching. I appreciate your time, and I will see you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.